This is a 2017 Infiniti Q50. The headlights, you can see the top part is getting really bad yellow and getting cloudy. So we take it through the restoration process here, get all of that oxidation and cloudiness, yellowness out with the sanding steps. And then we go to the buffing step here, and then we go ahead and put a coating on there. You see the after results looks immaculate. We move to the right side and take it through the restoration process, and this one was also getting really bad with the yellowing and the cloudiness. And so we take it through the sanding steps here, and you see it's getting clearer, clearing up now. And then we go ahead and buff out the lights, and look at that, looks great. So here's your before and after of the lights, looking much better. The customer was very happy with the results of the headlights. Look at that, man, just looks awesome, looks great. Great looking car, by the way.